Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to AppGeeker channel. It's exciting to start with a new iPhone. But moving current data to a new iPhone is annoying, especially when your iCloud account is running out of storage. So today, we're going to show you 3 best alternatives to move data from iPhone to iPhone without iCloud. So the first method to transfer iPhone data without iCloud is to use the Quick Start. Just as the name claims, it does let you have a quick start with a new iPhone during the setup. First, place the 2 phones close to each other. And then swipe up from the screen edge on your new iPhone and start setting up. Choose the language and region, follow the on-screen instruction until you see the Quick Start screen. Your old iPhone will pop up with a message telling you to set up your new iPhone with your current Apple ID. Tap Continue. And then your new iPhone will display an animation on the screen. Scan the animation using your old phone. Keep it within the circle. Once recognized, the circle turns green and you'll be asked to enter your current lock screen passcode or Apple password on your new iPhone for later transfer. Follow the on-screen steps to activate your new iPhone. Then the Transfer Your Data screen will show up. Here, choose to transfer data from iPhone. Tap Agree to start the transfer. Wait for a while, you'll see all your current content has been moved to the new iPhone when the loading bar finishes. Well, Quick Start does offer a quick data transfer from iPhone to iPhone without iCloud. But if you've set up the new device already, and don't want to erase anything on either of the phones, then phone transfer would be an excellent option for you. Step 1. Get phone transfer on your computer. We'll put the download link in the description below this video. Then run it from the desktop. Step 2. From the main interface, navigate to phone transfer, then select phone to phone mode. And now, connect both your devices using USB cables. Make sure to place the source iPhone on the left side, the target one on the right side. Or you can use flip button to exchange them. Step 3. If asked, unlock both your iPhones to allow it to load the available files on your device. After that, in the center box, all the data that you can transfer will be light up for you to select. Check whatever you want to move to the new iPhone, like photos, videos, text messages, contacts, music and anything else in the list. Then click the Start button. And let phone transfer send everything from one iPhone to another. Remember not to disconnect your devices before the loading bar completes. And later, you'll see everything you picked is now on the new iPhone. If you know how to back up your iPhone to computer with iTunes, then you can also use it to restore the backup to your new iPhone. First, connect your old iPhone to computer, and run iTunes. If prompted, unlock your iPhone and choose to trust this computer. Then, click the phone icon. Select the summary option from the left sidebar. Scroll down, find Backup section. Below the Automatically Backup option, select this computer instead of iCloud. And click Backup Now. Wait for iTunes to back up your iPhone data on the computer. Once done, unplug the old iPhone and connect the new one. This time, iTunes will ask whether you want to set up this phone as a new one. Here we simply choose to restore from the latest backup you created just now. Then click Continue to start the process. And soon, you'll get your current data files on the new iPhone. Alright, that's what we have for today. With these 3 alternatives, we believe that now you can easily get your data to your new iPhone without using iCloud. Okay, if it helps, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more information.